Welcome to a new video at the well-known address of Digital Novelties. Today we have prepared a tutorial for you on how to create a meeting on the Zoom app and how to send an invitation to participate in the meeting. Open the Zoom app. I have already done that earlier. Find the new meeting button at the top and click on it. Then press the Start a Meeting button. A window will open for you. Click on Wi-Fi or cellular data. You need to allow Zoom access to your microphone, camera, and storage. Press Got it. Now you can choose when Zoom can take pictures and record video. I will choose while using the app. The meeting is now created. If you click on Participants, you will see the current participants. For now, it's just me. To add other participants, you need to invite them. So click on Invite in the bottom left corner. There are several ways you can send an invitation to participate in the meeting. I will copy the meeting link by clicking on Copy Invite Link. You can now send the link wherever you want. I will send it via the Viber app. Then I will return to the Zoom app for the meeting. I will show you what it looks like from the other side. Simply click on the link you received and allow the Zoom app to take pictures and record video. And finally, click on the Join button. As we showed earlier, click on Wi-Fi or cellular data and allow Zoom to record audio by clicking on while using the app. Grant any other necessary permissions by pressing Allow. And you have successfully joined the meeting. I will return to my phone. Here's what it looks like for me when a contact I invited joins. I hope we have helped you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and quick tutorials.